Hi everyone, Sherry here.
Today I'll be making a recipe out of American Secrets Recipe Book 2. This is creating restaurant recipe clones since 2003. So today I'll be making Copycat Lipton's onion soup mix. I will be making only a half of a batch because I didn't have enough of all of my ingredients, but I'll leave the full batch recipe down below. So today I'll be using 3/8 cups of minced onion, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of crushed celery seed, and 1/8 teaspoon sugar. So let's begin. So take a smaller sized bowl and put in your 3/8 cup of minced onion, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of crushed celery seed, and 1/8 teaspoon of sugar. Now I know the minced onions usually are a bigger piece, and the one that I thought I had was a bigger piece. But this will work. And stir that until thoroughly combined. That's all there is to it. And then put them in an airtight container. And put your lid on it. And there you have your Copycat Lipton's onion soup mix. And you can use this wherever it calls for the soup mix. 5 tablespoons of mix equals 1 1/4 ounce package. If you want to make onion dip, mix 5 tablespoons with 1 pint of sour cream.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.